Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I am opening up only the Cotton Cuts advent calendar, which they call the Rosa's Holiday Your Way box. And so going forward, it's just me and Cotton Cuts. Welcome to day 26 of Vlogmas. Today is... okay, well, it's supposed to be Sunday, December 26th, but I played hooky yesterday, and so it's really Monday, and yeah. So I'm going to show you what is given to us on day 26 of Cotton Cuts, which is the Rosa's Holiday Your Way. Have I said that enough so you know that it's Rosa's Holiday Your Way? Okay, so here is the box, and let's get it open. Oh, I just knocked over my troll. Go watch yesterday if you want to know what that means. Here is our day 26. And let's see what we got. Okay. Throw kindness around like confetti. I couldn't agree more. Okay, and ooh, here is the fabric. Look how pretty that is. And my selvage says nothing. It's just a white strip. So I'm not sure what this is, but that is really bright and pretty. Awesome. Okay, so that is our fabric for the 26th day. And now, I don't remember if I mentioned to you guys... and by the way, if you enjoy my videos, please make sure you're subscribed. I would certainly love to have you back. And I know I say this every darn year, but I am going to try to ramp up my YouTube for next year. Because honestly, even though I've played hooky a few times, I really do enjoy coming on YouTube and making videos for y'all. I love doing lives. I love doing all of that stuff. I just feel like, you know, like the community I created. And yeah, I did. I created it. I pulled all these people together. I pulled all of y'all together. I'm so happy I did. Y'all are just some of the loveliest, sweetest people I have ever known. And I absolutely love hearing from y'all. I don't even know what I was going to say. Anybody else have that happen to y'all? You're in the middle of a conversation, like even like a middle of a conversation with somebody, and then bada boom, bada bing, you can't remember a darn thing. You were like, I'm in the middle of a conversation. I was in the middle of a sentence and I still don't even know what I was. Okay, I'm going to stop. So what I was getting at is about maybe a year ago, I want to say, maybe it was even a little longer than a year ago, I was, getting the Cotton and Twine box, which is a cross stitch. It's a counted cross stitch subscription, and I just missed it. I mean, I think it's because I keep thinking to myself that once I get my online shop downsized to where I would really rather it be, I'm hoping that I'll have more time for a lot of things that I don't get to do right now. I want to have more time to design. I know I've said that. I love writing foundation paper piecing patterns. I want to be able to make more YouTube videos where I'm sewing, showing you guys how to do foundation paper piecing. I don't know where everything's going. I have plans and I move in a forward direction, but then sometimes things will veer off, and you know, it just happens. Things don't end up the way you think they're going to end up. So what's going to happen exactly? I really don't know. None of us do. But one of the things that I'd really like to do more of, besides make quilts for myself, finish quilts would be great. I have so many things that are started because I start things either on YouTube or whatever it is, and I never have time to finish them. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to actually start and finish things. I want to be able to concentrate more on my path to becoming a certified instructor for Judy Niemeyer. And hopefully I will have enough free time that I can do a little counted cross stitch, because I love cross stitch, and it's been so long since I've been able to actually just sit down, relax. Heck, just sitting down and relaxing, guys. I mean, right now, I think that I've been missing posting videos mainly because I've just been, quite honestly, feeling a bit burned out. And I think that's probably been coming on for a bit. And even though something may be, you know, something that you love to do, like doing Vlogmas, posting a video every day, when you're, that's it. It's just, so there've been a couple times now where I've been a couple days late, and I do apologize. I know that there are a lot of you guys who really look forward to having a video every morning. I get it. I do. I actually do feel bad about that, because it's not that I don't think of those things. I do think of those things. And the worst thing to me is disappointing you, because you make me who I am, and you give me the opportunity to be myself. Because just in case y'all didn't know, this is me. I don't, I took drama in high school, and I think that I'm actually an okay actress. But pretty much, like, with me, what you see is what you get. And I don't fake stuff. I don't, this is it, you know. And if I'm, you know, I have ups and downs just like everybody else. And when I'm feeling down, I share that with y'all. When I am feeling up, I share that with y'all. Most of the time, I have to say, I feel up most of the time. But, you know, I have moments, and I usually will come right on here and talk to y'all about it. So maybe not all the time, but for a lot of things that at least have to do with quilting, I will come. And I've gotten great advice from people. I've gotten lots of love from people, which I truly appreciate. And it's what keeps me going. So all that to say, I started the Cotton and Twine subscription again, because also I think that they have like very timeless patterns that I really, really like. So I just got this one today, and I thought, oh my goodness, this would be perfect for me to put on for Saturday. So I'm going to show you what's inside. And this is okay. So here's the outside where it says Cotton and Twine, and then on the side it says oh my goodness, I love how they put this on here. Okay, it says, warning, this product contains a stitching needle, not suitable for children. This product contains a food item and may contain traces of nuts. Please check allergy information on the food item label. And it's like you can totally color this. Look at the back. If you wanted to. I mean, you know, why not? And then, you know, it comes from England, so all of the international airmail stuff and blah blah blah. So let's get it open. I mean, I literally just pulled it off the porch. I had gone to drop off an order to someone local, and then I had to go to the grocery store, and I came back and it was like, oh, I've got a present on the porch. Okay, is this it? Is it open now? I think it's taped down. Okay, so just hold up. I'm gonna get this. This is the only bad thing whenever you have like painted nails. Oh, it has a little pulley tab thing. Okay, cool. All right, got the pulley tab thing done. And oh, look at the paper. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. Do you see that, JB? It's got like doves on it or something. Oh, and it's like sticky sort of. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is really cool. Yo, I gotta clean this sty. I'm not even kidding. Not even kidding. Okay. So here is the pattern that is inside. And okay, now I do remember the only thing is that they always send 16 count Aida, and honestly I can't use anything smaller than 14, so I do have to provide my own Aida. Honestly guys, that is such a small thing. If it bothers you, then don't get this, okay, because they only send 16 count. I have asked them if there would be an option. There's not an option. You get 16, that's what you get. So and fair enough. I mean, listen, I don't know how many subscribers they have, but I'm just happy that they send it overseas because I really love their patterns and stuff. They always send you a little tea. So there you go. And then, oh my goodness, I love how they always put everything in these cute little bags. So all your stuff, oh, hold on, I'm going to get to it. Look how adorable this bag is with all of the stuff for your pattern. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness. Okay, so inside, here's all the stuff that you get. You get a fresh needle every time. You always get all the floss that you need. So that, and it comes on a little card with all of the colors, and it's all set up for you. It's perfect. And then the 16 count Aida. And so all of that is in your little pouch. Okay. And then, oh my goodness, they have given us a Tony's Choco Lonely. It's chocolate, guys, and it's a big one. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Choco Lonely has what in it? Oh, it says it is milk chocolate, caramel, and sea salt. Okay, I just want to have like a little taste. Is it possible to have a little taste? I think it is. Okay. Oh, there it is. And look, it breaks down into, do I want a really big piece of chocolate or do I want a little baby piece of chocolate? I'm going to try to get that little baby one out. Okay, let's try it. Oh, see? Look, it came pretty much off just like that. It's pretty yummy. That's pretty good. Oh, yeah. And I'm just going to eat that. Just have that little piece. And, oh my goodness. Look at this gorgeous bag. And it's that really good kind that you can like do your shopping with. So I'm going to do my shopping with it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Perfect size. For like, you know, like your spaghetti and stuff like that. Perfect. Thank you so much. I love these. Oops. Got it caught on something. Okay, perfect, perfect. And then, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Like, oh, and it says this shopping bag is a recycled product. Recycle, reuse, and be kind to the planet. Amen. And they gave us a frame to put it in. I don't remember them giving us frames, so this must be like special for this box. Okay, so like seriously, let me see what this says, because I think it must say something like on here about, oh, maybe, hold on. Okay, it says, welcome to the Cotton and Twine December box. This month's project is the third of our season designs. It is stitched in beautiful Nordic greens and ice blues with pops of bright red, courtesy of winter berries and gorgeous robins. The project is finished in a wood frame. The box includes the wooden frame to display your work too. This gift, the gift this month is a pretty butterfly and flower print shopping bag. The sweet treat is a delicious bar of milk, caramel, and sea salt chocolate. Okay, and so everything I showed you, that they just pretty much list everything that is included, and there you go. I really like this. I really do. And I hope I get to do more of these. I really do. This paper is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look how oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm loving the whole box. And of course, every time I think of this box and pretty much any box that has to do with cross stitch, I always think of Kim. And when I think of Kim, I can't help but think of Rhea. So if you're watching Rhea, I'm so sorry that Jellybean didn't make an appearance. But I absolutely love your happy birthday singing to me. If you guys are in the Jellybeanies, then you would have seen her little video that Kim posted of her singing happy birthday to me. And the most adorable thing on earth is that she calls me It's Yvette. Not Yvette, she calls me It's Yvette, because at the beginning of the video, I always say, hey guys, it's Yvette. Y'all, if you're not already in a Jellybeanies, come over and join us. It's a private group on Facebook, and you just have to answer a couple questions so that I can weed out anybody who's a little troll or something. As long as I know you're not a troll, you're in, and you can come and check out her singing happy birthday to me, which was just so adorable. Anyway, I still have to make one more video for the actual today. I have no idea what I'm going to do. But I am going to ask you before I close to please make sure that you're subscribed and come on back for more videos. I'll see you later. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.